Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor's Analytics Hub. In this video, I'm going to be solving an exciting business problem. I will be diving into the world of fashion and economics by analyzing cost trends for a company that produces denim jackets. But before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop valuable videos like this. Okay, so the company Fashionista is specialized in producing denim jackets that is made from cotton, leather patches, zippers. No, these are what is being used to produce it. Now, each leather jacket that has been produced, Fashionista sells it for $200. Now, my goal is to explore how the cost of manufacturing this jacket might change over the next 5 years. Considering the expected price increase for materials and labor. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is I want to get the cost of manufacturing each jacket or manufacturing denim jackets. Okay, so for me to do that, let me create my table. There are other ways to do this, but I'm just deciding to create a table for this. Resources. I have my cotton, I have my hardware, I have my labor. Now unit cost of these things 1.65 for cotton, 1.42 for hardware, $12 for labor. Okay, let me center this. Okay, let me center this too. Oh, okay, so manufacturing a single pair of denim jacket requires 1.5 kilograms of cotton. Okay, now required per denim denim jacket. Okay, so 1.5 kilograms of organic cotton, one set of hardware and 5 hours of labor. Okay, so let me drag this over. Okay, now let me get my total cost of production. Cost of production. Okay, so to manufacture a single denim jacket, it requires 1.5 kilograms of organic cotton. So, and each unit is being sold at $1.65. Okay, let me, no. Let me, I didn't format these things. These are dollars. These are dollars. Okay, so for me to get the cost, I need to multiply this with this, and I will drag it down, and I'll drag it down. Okay, now let me calculate my total cost of production for a denim jacket. My revenue has been given to me, which is they say each denim jacket for $200. So total cost per denim jacket, revenue per denim jacket. Now profits per denim jacket. Okay, okay. Now formula to calculate profit is revenue minus cost. It's simple as that. Let me center all this. It's simple as that. Okay, let me put my revenue here, which is $200. Now, my total cost, for me to get the total cost of this per denim jacket, I will calculate. I need to sum the cost of production. Let me format this dollars. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten my total cost of per denim jacket, revenue per denim jacket, and my profit per denim jacket. Now, this is where things get interesting now. Fashionista anticipates that organic cotton, they anticipate that organic cotton is expected to increase by 2% per year. The price of hardware is expected to increase by 3% per year, and the cost of skilled labor is expected to increase by 2.5% per year. Okay, this I'm going to create a table for this. I'm going to call it as anticipated annual anticipated annual cost increase. Okay, so I'm going to call this my resources. This is my resources. Cutting, hardware, and labor. So this will be my percentage increase. My percentage increase annually. Okay, so cotton is expected to increase by 2% annually. Hardware is expected to increase by 3% annually. Labor 2.5%, right? Okay, yeah, 2.5%. Let me center this. Let me create a table for this too. Okay, now let me merge this to middle. Let me bold it. Okay, now this is where my projection comes in. So for that, I need to create my table which contains my year and the materials. So year, cotton, hardware. Okay, so I need to input the current cost of my materials. Cotton, okay, hardware, okay, and my labor. Now let me get the total cost. I'm going to do that. I need to sum. I need to sum. Okay, now the price of organic cotton is expected to increase by 2% per year. So this is my current year and it's expected to increase by 2% the next year. So the formula for percentage increase is this added by this multiplied by the percentage increase. I'm going to use my absolute reference here because I want it to stick. I want the 2% to stick. I don't want the 2% to move whenever I'm going to copy my formulas down. So I want the 2% percentage increase to stick to the cutting. I don't want it to move. Okay. This added by this now multiplied by the percentage increase. My absolute reference. Well, this added by this multiplied by the percentage increase. Don't forget your absolute reference. Very important. Okay, now I copy my formula down. Now I copy my formula down. And these are the anticipated cost increase for cutting, hardware, and labor. Now let me drag my formula down for. Okay, now here you have it now. So I'm going to insert a chart to this my analysis so it can be more engaging. So let me copy my table. Let me go to insert chart recommended. I'm going to use a line chart for this. I think it's better. Both of them are practically the same thing. I don't know. If maybe you guys might. Okay, yeah, yeah, I've seen the difference. Okay, I'm going to take off all this. I'm just going to select one. So it's only the total cost of production I want. Now, total cost of production. Fashionista. I'm looking for a title here now. Price projection. Price projection. Okay, price projection. I still feel like, wait, let me add fashionista. I don't know. Maybe you guys might come up with a better name for this price projection. Okay, let me add a title here. Okay, this is going to be my year. This is going to be my year. Okay, okay, this is looking good. Okay, okay, and guys, don't forget to go through your questions again. Check your work in case you made a mistake. Okay, that's what I'm doing here now. Am I leaving any other thing else? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so that's it, guys.